So in 3 months, two boards. Okay, so how long have you been a member now?
Since the beginning of March.
And where are you at in regards to your board journey? What are your goals? Where are you headed? What's the journey
Yeah.
been and where are you headed? I'm
Uh,
saying like what's your, you've been a member and then, what's happened? How's your board journey and where are you going?
when I joined Veblen, I had a few weeks to get used to the platform and meet tons of people in the Veblen community and do all the networking. But that was just a couple of weeks really, and then a couple of opportunities popped into the community that were, really suited my passions, and I really felt like I could help. And one is a company focusing on creating equity in clinical trials, and another is a really cool company doing immersive VR leadership development tools. And yeah, I'm really delighted to be working with both of those companies.